Hi friends, welcome to Classic Masala Hut. Today in our hut we are going to make chicken pakora. It is an advanced chicken 65 because we are going to mince the chicken and flavor it so that all the flavors can penetrate throughout the chicken, and then we are going to fry so that we can enjoy crispy chicken pakoras. First let's mince the chicken. Today I have taken one chicken breast. Now let's flavor the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chillies, some chopped curry leaves, some chopped onion, and also add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour, and add the required salt and mix everything together. You can also use small pieces of chicken instead of mincing the chicken. Now let's fry them. Make into small balls or any shape of your choice. Now chicken is fully done. Let's take them out and drain the excess oil. Now chicken pakora is ready. It's so crunchy. Try this recipe at home, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel Classic Masala Hut. Spread the joy of cooking.